Hey guys, Jason here for TCG Alerts, doing another quick review on Ripple and Ethereum today. Ripple is back to having a little bit of action, and people are certainly taking notice. So the question that we get, how do we use our alerts to take advantage of these situations? On Ripple, more than even Ethereum and Bitcoin, the abnormal volume is really leading the way. So this is still a current indicator that we want to be focused on. We can see that we have abnormal volume signaling the initial dump on Tuesday. We can see the abnormal volume tripping again to show the beginning of consolidation. Another abnormal volume signaling the bottom of consolidation. We set that low of 44 cents. It's a double bottom over on our candlestick around noon. Very important key level. So we set abnormal volume. Our abnormal volume came in, setting that low. It held. And we see that area being tested again before we get this really quick, tight consolidation for about 1 hour before we see this big monster breakout. So if you had the 15-minute inside bar set for that alert on XRP, you would have got the inside bar bull break. You would have seen that shoot up, abnormal volume signaling the initial consolidation before continuation. And then finally we get this 15-minute overbought indicator right near our top. And we are now consolidating, trying to set a new low on a new lower high on the 15-minute time frame. So I suspect that as volume averages down here, we're slowly going to see this consolidate, and I would not be surprised to see another abnormal volume be the signal for the next leg up or leg down. So be paying attention to abnormal volume is really the key leading indicator. And then again, we're always relying on our oversold and overbought indicators in 15-minute time frame to signal when we're going to get that reversal. So looking to the 30-minute time frame, we can see that we have some early price shears. So this price shear fired, it just tripped and just met the conditions. So technically, yes, this is a price shear, but we know we didn't see any continuation. So a little bit of a false signal there, but we did get another price shear not long after that was a very valid price shear. So we saw the volume coming in, and that's what we're going to be checking when we're getting our price shears. Is there volume backing this price shear, or is it a relatively low volume and we're just seeing something that falls within range? So boom, big volume price shear after an inside bar on the 30-minute time frame, consolidation, and we see abnormal volume signaling the reversal up top. So again, where are we going to see here? We're going to see tightening range that we're seeing on the 30 and 15-minute time frames. It's very similar to the setup that we had earlier, and we're going to be looking to volume and the bull or bear break of those inside bars as an indicator of the next direction. Ethereum, not quite as intense, but we did see something else happening. We saw abnormal volume signaling sell-offs, and we see quick bounces on the oversold 15-minute time frame. So our oversold indicator is letting us know that things have reached a little bit of an extreme position on this time frame following abnormal volume, and each one of these has been good for a little bit of bounce, except for maybe this guy here. And we can see that there is an abnormal volume. Well, that's what the indicator is. It's abnormal volume. There's very abnormal volume coming in here. And we catch a little bit of a bottom on the next one. And then the big bottom fish, the Ethereum 15-minute oversold tripped. This time we're seeing the bulls buying this dip. And we're seeing the price slowly moving up. We've set a new low, a new lower high on the 15-minute time frame. Another one now at what are we going to, a low of 206. And we're seeing bulls battling it out and ultimately winning this fight. So we can set another lower high, another higher low at our level of 208.51. And bulls continue to move above 220. Things are going to be looking pretty good for them, at least in the short term. So for Ethereum, again, you're going to be watching that volume. That's your biggest leading indicator right now. We'll keep following these coins, see how we can modify our alert system to use them. And I think on the next video, we're going to take a look at the 4-hour and daily time frames and see how we can use our MACD, CCG crosses, or other indicators to give us insight into what's happening on these 15 and 30-minute shorter time frames. That's it for tonight. Thank you guys, and thank you for supporting the alert system. As always, if you have feedback, recommendations, what have you, send it my way. We will incorporate your ideas. This is a tool we are making for you guys. So let me know what you want and what you don't want. Have a good night.